Hello, everybody. Okay, so we're going to do lesson 11, part 10, and describe equal parts. Okay, so first, we want to find shapes that show fourths and color them green. Well, let's see. Oops. Find shapes. Oh, here we go. And we'll color them green. So which shape shows fourths? This one, no. This one is 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is fourths. So we'll color this one green. Okay, what about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so this one shows fourths also. And this one, no. Now the next one, find shapes that show halves and color them red. Okay, so halves. Remember, halves is when it's divided in half. There's going to be two equal parts. So this one, yeah, that has two equal parts. There we go. This one, of course not. This one, of course not. This one, of course not. What about this one? Yes. There we go. Okay. So now let's erase, 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 erase. Let me pause. Okay, so now let's do this part. Okay, so we have two equal parts. So when we have two equal parts and one of them is colored in, we could say half of the shape is green. Okay? Half of the shape is green. When we have three equal parts and one of them is colored in, only one, we could say a third of the shape is green. Okay, a third of the shape is green. And when we have four equal parts and only one of them is colored in, we could say a fourth of the shape is green. A fourth of the shape is green. Okay, so half of the shape, a third of the shape, and a fourth of the shape. Okay, let's look at this one now. We're going to draw to show thirds and then color a third of the shape. So first let's do thirds. This is a little bit tricky. Okay, there's my thirds. Now we want to color a third of the shape. Let me change color. I'll make it green. So I want to color a third of the shape. Do I color all three? No. Remember what we learned in the last slide. We only color in one. So I color in one. Oh, and I'm scribbling, 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 scribbling. Okay, so let's do this one. We want to draw thirds. So do 1, 2. There we go. And now I color in a third of the shape. Remember, only one. Just color in 1. There we go. And then again, thirds. Why don't I do it this way now? 1, 2. There, is that right? No, it's not right because this side is so much bigger than this side and this side. And so it's not equal. So let me get my eraser. Try again. Let's try doing it right there. There we go. Okay, that's a little bit better. And now I color in a third, right? I color in 1. There we go. And there's my scribbles. Okay. Okay, so now we want to draw fourths and color a fourth of the shape. Okay, so let me try to make this straight. 1, 2. There we go. So now you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, or 4 parts. And I want to color a fourth of. Now remember, I just color in 1. There we go. There's 1. You could color in better, but I'm just trying to make the video go faster. There. Oh, that's better. Okay. So now draw fourths of the circle. Turn the circle into fourths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do I'm going to go down and across, make like a T. There we go. Okay, it's okay if it's not perfect because we're drawing. And so when we're drawing, it's not going to be perfect. But try to get it as close to it as you can. There we go. There's a fourth of the shape. Color it in. Okay, and now let's do this one. And again, I want to make a T. There we go. Okay, and color it in. There we go. Okay. Okay, so let's think about this problem. There's 2 posters, 1, 2. 2 posters are the same size, so they're equal. A half of one poster is red, so a half of one poster is red. And let me change my color. And then a third of the other poster is blue. So let's go ahead and draw this real fast. Let me turn back to red. And a half of one poster is red. Remember, a half of is, I cut it in half. And then one part of it is red. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to color in one part of it red. So this part is red. Okay, there we go. Now let's do the other one. A third of the other poster is blue. So I need to cut this into thirds and then color a third of the poster blue. So let's see if I can do this. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And a third of the poster is blue. So I'll color in this. Okay. There we go. So let's read this part now. Is the red part or the blue part larger? Larger. Okay, so which one is larger? Well, the red part is larger, right? So actually, a half of one poster is bigger than a third of a poster. Okay, so we can also do this. There, that one is bigger. It's like the crocodile is going to eat this one. A half of it is bigger than a third of the other poster. You're going to have a problem like this in your homework today. Okay, and it might look hard at first, but just draw the picture and then it will be easy for you to see which one is bigger. Okay? Okay. Very good job, guys. If you need any help, send me a message on Class Dojo. Goodbye.